Come on, everybody. How about a big round of applause? Come on. Oh my gosh. Hi. My name's Gail, by the way. I shake your hand like it's kind of full right now, but welcome to the show, or actually welcome to everybody as well. We are joined by, of course, Dear Faces U.S. Ambassador. Everybody say hello. Give a wave as well. Andrea Brillantes.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Thank you all so much for being here with us. And of course, kay Miss Jonah, thank you so much po sa pag-welcome sa akin sa bagong family na ito, ang Dear Face family. I'm so happy po talaga kasi gumagamit po talaga ako ng beauty milk bago pa ako nakasama sa family na to. So I'm really happy and excited.
Thank you. Very happy. But what's official? You are witnessing history in the making. The newest ambassador of Dear Face.